In this video, I will show you how to use Mosaic Processor to stitch Mosaic camera data. Here I will show you a very simple case with a Mosaic X's camera data. So here is the window without any data loaded into it. Here you have settings. Here I can specify the JPEG quality setting, which will define how much my panoramic images are compressed. I can also specify custom resolution to my panoramic images. And now I'm going to select the data. So here I have a single reel captured with the Mosaic X. I will supply a path to the screen as an input directory, so I copy and paste here, and my application will ask to provide a GRP file. The GRP file is based on the camera calibration we perform in our office, so it's important to always use the GRP file, which is prepared for the specific camera. Click OK, and now the Run Selected button is unblocked after being supplied with all the necessary information. Here I have a video preview where I can play all 6 videos simultaneously. I can click and zoom in on a specific frame if I want to analyze, or just briefly check the data. Anonymizer is one of the modules which has to be purchased separately. In the Modules Manager menu, you will see that Anonymizer is installed and activated, and this is why I have this checkmark available to me. And I just click Run Selected, it checks videos, and immediately starts rendering panoramic images. You can switch to the Panoramas tab, pause, evaluate stitched panorama images, zoom in, and zoom out. Right now, there's no positional and orientation data. You can see that the application first stitches images and later geo-references them. After all my panoramic images are stitched, the application will start anonymizing them. And now I can switch to this tab, and I can see the panoramic images in which the car plates and faces are blurred. Because I didn't specify the output folder, it is created by default next to the original data itself, and in this output folder, you will see panoramic images. And here you can right-click on any of these images, check properties, details, and see that positional data is integrated here. And you can also see anonymized images next to the panoramic images in the folder. And that's it. These are the basic functionalities that we have in the Mosaic Processor.